So let's work on problem number 4. Please follow along as I read it out loud. Bella has 6 3/10 kilograms of berries. She packs 3,500 kilograms of berries into each container. She then sells each container for $2.99. How much money will Bella earn if she sells all the containers? So again, we want to start off with a sentence because that helps to make sure that our answer seems reasonable. So you can see that my sentence is Bella will earn dollars. Now, let's go back to this problem and let's think about what's happening. Again, in 5th grade, we have lots of hidden questions, and this problem also has a hidden question. So, before we can figure out how much money she's going to earn, we have to figure out how many containers she's going to have to sell. So notice in the problem that the problem is telling us that she starts off with 6 3/10 kilograms of berries all together, and then she's going to pack them into containers that have 3,500s. So we need to find out that hidden question of how many containers there will be. And in order to do that, we need to find out how many 3,500s are in 6 3/10. So we need to divide. So let's set up our division. And we have a decimal division problem. So we now know that we have to get our divisor to be a whole number. So in order to do that, I'm thinking in my head that I need to multiply by 100. Remember, I have 2 places in my divisor, so I need to have 2 zeros in my power of 10 that I'm multiplying by. So, in order to quickly multiply by 100, I can just shift those digits, shift that decimal point. Notice that I need to move the decimal point 2 places in my divisor, so I need to move my decimal point 2 places in my dividend. I have to annex a 0 to do that. So now I have a new division problem of 35 divided into 630. So I can go ahead and do that division. So I'm going to first find out how many 35s are in 63, multiply, subtract, and I have to bring down my 0. And now I'm going to repeat those steps, and I'm going to see how many 35s are in 280. And I find out that I have 8. And I have a 0 remainder. So that means that she is able to make 18 containers of berries. That's not my answer to my question, because remember down here at my sentence, it says that I want to find out how much money she's going to make. That's how many containers she's going to sell. So now I found the answer to that hidden question. I can use that answer to figure out how much money she will make altogether by taking the $2.99 times 18 containers. Now, some of you might have a mental math strategy for this. Remember, if you're using any kind of mental math, you need to show your thinking. But I'm going to go ahead and show this multiplication out. Put my 0 placeholder. I'm going to go ahead and add. And I find out that Bella will earn $53.82 selling those berries.